Building a startup is risky, but the Lean Canvas helps you map out your business idea on a single page. Today, we'll show you how to master this powerful framework in Lucid. What is a Lean Canvas? It's a one-page template designed to help startups deconstruct their ideas. It focuses on the Lean methodology, emphasizing speed and addressing specific customer pain points. Lean Canvas versus Business Model Canvas. While both use a one-page format, the Lean Canvas swaps broader categories for a focus on problems, solutions, and your unique unfair advantage. Why use a Lean Canvas? It forces you to document your riskiest assumptions quickly. In Lucid, your team can collaborate in real time to iterate as your business model evolves. Let's break down the 9 building blocks of a Lean Canvas to see how they work together to form a cohesive business strategy. You begin with the problem and customer segments. Then, you define your unique value proposition and the solution, your top 3 features that will solve those core problems. How to identify your unfair advantage. Look for something that cannot be easily copied or bought, like specialized insider knowledge, a dream team, or a unique existing customer base. Finally, map out your channels, revenue streams, cost structure, and key metrics. These boxes ensure your business is not just solving a problem, but is also financially viable. Common mistakes when filling out a Lean Canvas include being too vague with your problem or ignoring the customer segment. Focus on specific, niche audiences to get the best results. For an example, Lean Canvas for a SaaS startup. A project management tool might target remote teams, offering a solution of visual workflows to solve the problem of fragmented communication. Now, let's jump into a step-by-step tutorial. How to create a Lean Canvas using Lucid's intuitive templates and collaborative tools. Invite your team to the document. Use sticky notes to fill out each section, and use the comments or chat feature to discuss and refine your ideas in real time. Use Lucid to turn your ideas into a clear, actionable plan. Start your Lean Canvas today and keep iterating as you grow. Thanks for watching.